I remember seeing lots of swifts in the sky when I was a child. They returned to Beijing every year, and I felt a strong connection with them. Since 2018, I started participating in a volunteer group. The numbers have greatly declined in the past decade. In 2019, a swift fell into the water at the Five Dragon Pavilion in Beihai Park. I successfully rescued him and named him Bei Xiaowu. At all 30 ferry points in Beijing, baby swifts fall into the water every year and need professional help. They also need more habitats, food, and water sources. I hope more people will join the efforts to protect Beijing swifts. Facts and knowledge need to be known by more ordinary citizens. Volunteers need better counting and photography tools, a platform to share experiences. Therefore, my classmates and I began to envision building a user-friendly app or platform to promote communication, interaction among enthusiasts, wildlife professionals, and research scientists from all around the world to exchange information and share data. If we work hard enough to gain enough users, this platform can be used to protect other birds worldwide, allowing people to learn more about them, create more habitats, and let them fly safely and freely in the sky.